Now listen. This is a Brulee cheesecake. Everything about it is absolutely perfect. And I've been wanting to try new creative flavors. So when I thought of creme brulee, I had to give it a shot. Traditionally made with just eggs, heavy cream, vanilla, and sugar. I usually use graham crackers for the crust, but I ran out, so I'm using pie crust. We're a small family-owned business, so go share some love. The cake pan has parchment to keep the edges smooth. This is gonna taste amazing. You guys know the money shot is my favorite part. Now we bake. A cake reveal. We'll sprinkle sugar for the brulee. Now the fun part.
The hoes gon' love this.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey! That wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice. Can I do it to you?